Welcome to this demonstration of the improvements made to Service Catalog organization in Serena Request Center 5.2. The Catalog view is used to present help desk customers with an easy way to find and request IT services. You can organize your most frequently used services on the home page, as shown here. You can also organize services by categories, then organize those categories in containers. You can nest containers and categories to create a hierarchy of services. Containers are easy to spot because they include navigation arrows. For this example, we created an HR services container so we could separate employee services from management services. We have categories for each. We added a few services to the container overview page so that employees and managers could get to them easily. Under Manager Services, we added services that pertain primarily to managers. Under Employee Services, we added services applicable to any employee. I see we have a lot of services here and many are related to facilities, so I think we need to add another container. Let's see how an administrator can take care of this organization in Serena Request Center. First, let's click the Customize link to enter Edit mode. Let's add a container to organize facility services. If we wanted to nest this container under another container, we would select the parent here. We want our new container to appear on the home page, however, so we'll leave the parent container set to none. After we save our changes, we see our new container on the home page. When we click the new container, we see there are no categories or services assigned to it. Let's add a category called Security. Be sure to select Facility Services as the parent container. Let's navigate to our new security category. Here, we can see that we need to add services to the category. Let's go back to Employee Services and move some of the services to our new security category. I'm going to edit the Building Security service. Here, I want to add the security category. When I do this, the service will be available in two categories, Employee Services and Security Services. I also want the service to show up on my Facilities Overview page, so I select the Show in Container Overview checkbox. I'll save my changes, then exit Edit mode so we can see our new container and new category. Let's return to the home page. As you can see, my new container for Facility Services is shown. You can see the Building Security service on the Overview page because I selected the Show in Container Overview checkbox when I edited the service. You can also see the Building Security service in my Security category. As you can see, you can manage your services by creating and nesting containers and categories. You can also organize services to show in multiple places in Request Center so your users can easily find them. Thank you for watching this short video on organizing services in containers and categories in Serena Request Center. For full documentation, visit help.serena.com.